This is Chi and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share with you guys my obsession for all things beauty. For more info, visit my website is www.beauticianchic.com. Today we have this lovely look to show you guys. So this is Philippa. Philippa, say hi.
Hello.
Yes, look at her. She's looking glamorous.
Loving this.
Yeah. So we did a traditional Nigerian makeup look and Gele on her. We have some glitter gold shadows going on here, guys. Oh my god, this looks so lovely. So guys, I did like a kind of a lovely gold eye pierce with this kind of nudish dark lip, and guys, we had fun creating this look. You're gonna see in the video every day anyway, so yeah, you're gonna see how we achieve this look. So if you love to see how we achieve this look, guys, keep watching.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, and share the video if you like it. Share with your friends. Yeah, share on your social media as well so your friend can see this video. So guys, I hope you guys will enjoy it as much as we do.
This perfect look.
Yeah, you come here, you know where to come. Yeah, so we're taking bookings, bridal bookings. So guys, keep watching. Clean her face. Clean. Her face is already clean anyway, but just
I cleaned it.
yeah. So just cleaning just to make sure. I think every makeup artist make sure they clean the face. Oil control lotion, guys. So on top of that setting spray that I sprayed earlier, we'll use oil control lotion like a tiny bit, like so, and I'll just kind of apply that all over her face. So this is her face already moisturized and ready for the foundation application. So MAC NC45. Apply her foundation with a flat brush. So like so. So they're highlighting. So this is the one that's gonna make your face sculptured.
Oh my god.
So we're gonna sculpt her face with add mascara, foundation. Yeah.
I'd be so jealous. She's upstairs. I was thinking, oh my gosh, the food was nice. I'm thinking, what food? What was there again? I didn't even see it. Pointy nose, guys.
fix foundation. So you know I haven't set hair before, so this is what I'm doing, setting this place. So this one is going to catch the eyeshadow when I'm applying the eyeshadow, so I'll leave it on the eye setting powder, then I'll kind of sweep this one away. So sweep, sweep, sweep. Drink your tea before the eyebrow, because eyebrow time. No moving, no talking, no smiling, no talking, no chatting.
No breathing.
No breathing. Oh God, hold your breath. Yeah. Hold your breath, guys. When I'm doing your brows, tea time. Yeah. So we're gonna be still. Show off your brow. Let us see your brow.
On fleek.
Yeah. So now we're gonna move on to the shadows, and I'm using a base, MAC Soft Ochre. Yeah, for the base. This is where the magic is gonna happen. Wow. Yeah, eyeshadow base. Magic for the crease. Yeah. So if you look down again, here. So I'll go back with the darker brown. This one is, I don't know, is it embark? Because I always depot this and I don't even know their name. You know when you buy they just depot. Put here. Oh, it's a brown shade. I'm gonna put that here. Clip brown. Just going right at the outer V here. Back with that crease color just to kind of blend it even more. This is how you get that blended color. So you go back and forth. On the lid, she's gonna put all glittered up now. Yeah. We're gonna apply the lashes. So for lashes, we apply the lashes. So if you open a little bit, just a tiny little bit more. Yeah, that's it. I know you cried the lifetime. Contour the face again with a powder that is darker than her complexion. This one is NW45, so that's what I was doing. So this is how we're using that cheek here. Peaches. Peaches by MAC. I love peaches, you guys. Peaches. On the bridge of the nose again. Yeah. She's looking like a doll. Hi, Mom.
You said I won.
Oh! How are you, Mom? You want some? Don't be jealous.
Oh, she wants to see it.
Look down.
She said I won. So you don't worry. Leave me. Let me finish.
Então vais pegar o buzz, meu.
No. You're coming to pick me up.
This Lucy is very wicked. Very nice. And it's something you don't see everywhere. When you do your makeup, you always mess up. You always need to change. Chestnut liner.
Oh, okay. You in your hair like this.
What? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment below. Stay beautiful, guys. Bye.